We're getting new insight into a program to address food and health insecurity. Now, last week we showed you the Wellstar mobile markets, which provide free groceries and health screenings in underserved communities. Now we're hearing from several team leaders about why this mission is so important.
The Wellstar Foundation, we're part of Wellstar Health System, which is one of Georgia's largest not-for-profit healthcare systems. We serve 1 out of 6 Georgians. And in fact, we are committed to providing more than healthcare. We're committed to providing people care.
The Wellstar on Wheels mobile market gets right into the community, touching every person, every time when we're able to serve. So we started the mobile markets back in 2020 at the height, really, of the COVID-19 response. We saw that churches not only had a need for getting people COVID testing and also COVID vaccines, but also getting people food. Just basic needs were not being met.
We have a social responsibility to help people. And we have a social responsibility to give back to them who can't, to people who can't take care of themselves. So we got to give them healthy options where they can use to help their community, help their families to live better. So eating healthy and food insecurity, man, is a vital part of growing in our community.
We were really excited to partner with Wellstar for the Mobile Market Series to give people optionality in the choices that they receive. If they're vegan, if they would like almond milk or dairy milk, really going to families at this time and giving them exactly what they need.
Wholesome Wave Georgia is a statewide nonprofit organization. We have over 100 community partners around our state in rural and urban environments. And what we do is we make fresh, healthy, locally grown food more accessible to Georgians in need.
We really feel blessed to be a part of this organization, working and partnering with Wellstar, because we responded to a grant. We saw the need for those that were being overlooked and under-resourced in our community, and we partnered with Wellstar when we saw the grant.
We know that even being stressed about how to afford food for your family can lead to worsened chronic disease. So that means your diabetes and your hypertension will be worse if you're stressed. And so we believe that the food access part of our programming addresses 2 parts: getting fresh, healthy vegetables, fruits, but then also reducing stress for families.
We are hitting these locations about every 4 to 6 weeks. And for a lot of people, giving them about a week's worth of groceries. For some people, they'll say, well, does that move the needle? And I always say, absolutely.
Wellstar has had over 3,000 points of contact through the mobile market, served over 7 counties here in the state of Georgia, over 30 community events, and then also through the partnership that we have with Wellstar, we've been able to screen over 700 households.
A lot of people think that these are just homeless people, or these are people that are on food stamps. In many cases, it's not that at all. It's people that have full-time jobs. They are doing the best they can to make it. They just need a little additional help.
Think about the opportunity to provide financial literacy, workforce development opportunities as well in these communities. So we look at it from a standpoint of it's holistic, right? It's holistic. No one of these health issues live in a silo, but it takes all of us coming together for the whole health of people and ultimately for the health and well-being of our communities.
It touches your heart because it's like, here's people working hard every day and still don't have enough options. So it's going to take a community, it's going to take a city, it's going to take a nation for us to make a change.
Wellstar and the team have 40 mobile market events planned throughout the year. To register online, we have a link at WSBTV.com/community.